Thank you for joining me for another episode of Ask Sharon, where I share the questions I get from people and give you my answers. I've got a letter here from Stephanie. She says, after 3 years of no health coverage, I'm finally getting the health care I need. Due to cutbacks in my past industry, I've been unable to work in that field. Now that I have health care, my quality of life is much better. Please make sure you protect the health care needs of all Washingtonians during a tough budget year. Well, Stephanie and others that are concerned about this issue, that's exactly what we're trying to do. There's a number of things that we're trying to do to make sure that we have health care because it's a complex problem. Number one, we're making sure that we continue the work of integrating our mental and physical health care systems so it's more efficient and it meets more needs and it keeps people out of our emergency rooms and gets more people into primary care. Another thing that we need to do is be sure to fund physician spots. We don't have enough family care physicians, and so we're looking for ways to have more doctors, more physicians assistants, and more nurses trained, and that means putting more money into our educational system. Another bill that we've been working on that feeds into having a really top quality healthcare system is a bill that will allow patients to find out what the results are in different hospitals and care facilities so that they will know where they can get the best and most affordable care. So we're working on all fronts, and we're going to continue to do it until it's as good as it can be. So thank you, Stephanie, for that questions. I've also been getting an awful lot of questions about high stakes testing. Teachers, parents, and students and legislators like myself are very concerned that we keep adding tests to kids and taking up instructional time and learning time without getting good results. And one of the things that we have to do is start making our tests mean more in the right way and not have so many of them that take up such valuable time. And there's a bill circulating right now that I was very excited to sign on to that does a number of things. It pares down some of the testing so that there's not so much time and money spent on these tests, so that we have better results and better ways of evaluating students in time before they get ready to graduate. And it also puts some effort into when students don't do as well as they want to or need to in their junior year, they'll be able to take classes in their senior year that fill in some of the weaker spots and strengthen how well prepared they are to move on after they finish high school. So we're doing a number of things to make sense of all this and stop adding test after test without having enough money to pay for the learning time and time to get it done right. That's all for now, and please keep those letters and phone calls coming. Stop by my office, and I'll see you next time.